Welcome to this video where we demystify the concept of p-values. If you've ever encountered statistics, you've probably heard the phrase, the p-value is less than 0.05, therefore is significant. But what exactly asterisk is asterisk? What does 0.05 signify? And what does significant truly mean? We often struggle with statistics because these fundamental questions are rarely explained clearly. This video will provide those explanations. Let's start with the basics. What asterisk p-value stands for probability value. So a p-value represents a probability. The crucial question then becomes, what probability are we talking about? It's surprising how many people use p-values without truly understanding what probability they represent. We calculate p-values often without knowing that it represents probability, not to mention which probability it represents. Think back to the concept of distinctive thinking. It's about asking, what is the probability of observing a particular event purely by chance? That probability, the likelihood of an event occurring randomly, is precisely what we define as the p-value. While some statisticians might argue that this is an oversimplification, it's a useful way to initially think about p-values. Why is it that a p-value should always be less than 0.05, or why do we hope it is? P-value, being probabilities, range from 0 to 1. A p-value of 0.05 translates to a 5% probability. The 0.05 threshold is somewhat arbitrary. He said that a long time ago, some French mathematicians decided on that number among themselves. It seems comical, but why specifically 5%? A p-value less than 0.05 implies that there's less than a 5% chance that the observed event occurred randomly. Essentially, it suggests that the event is unlikely to have happened by chance alone. This makes us think that something else must be at play, some underlying reason or causal relationship. That 5% threshold is simply a level at which we subjectively decide that random chance is an unlikely explanation. We just accept the standards someone else set. Therefore, a p-value below 0.05 suggests that an event is unlikely to be random and that there is a meaningful reason or relationship behind it. We call this statistically significant, implying there's a real effect or causal link. Conversely, if the p-value exceeds 0.05, we consider the event likely to have occurred by chance, implying no significant relationship. So hopefully now you understand what it means when someone says the p-value is less than 0.05, therefore is significant.